Wordle is a daily word game, and in this video I want to show you exactly how to access it and how to play it. It's one of the most visited websites right now, and you could access it on your phone or on your computer. One of the easiest way to access it is go to a browser here and just go to google.com and search for Wordle. The website is actually not Wordle, it's powerlanguage.co.uk, but if you search for it this way, you could just click this and it would open it up. The first thing it's going to show you is this how to play guide, and I'm going to walk you through exactly how to play this game. You get 6 rows here, and in each row there's 5 squares. You would have to guess a word that is 5 letters long, and then based on which letters you get right, you could guess again and try to get this in 6 tries. That's all the tries you're going to get. Now this resets every 24 hours. So every 24 hours, a new word will be released. Now make sure you don't spoil this for other people. Whatever the word is for that day, that's the same word for everyone. So I'm gonna actually publish this tomorrow so I don't ruin the game for today. So I'm gonna go ahead and guess a word right here. I usually guess brave as my first word. Now it's gonna give you no type of instructions. You have no idea what this word could be about. If it's an object, if it's a verb, you have no idea. So if I guess and if I press enter here, now once I press enter, whatever shows up in yellow, that means that letter is in the word, in the final word. But if it doesn't show up green, that means it's not in the right spot. So R is not the second letter, but it is in the word that I'm going to have to find. So this time I'm gonna guess enter. So now I'm guessing that R is gonna be at the end, E is gonna be in the beginning or here. So let's go ahead and press enter now. Okay, so I still didn't get them in the right place, and anything that shows up in gray, that means that letter is not part of the word at all. So now I have to guess again. Now I haven't guessed R and E for these slots, so this could be a good guess. Let me press enter. So you could see here, I got 2 green, means E is in the right spot and Y is in the right spot, but R and P are still not in the right spot. And P is the first time I'm guessing P here. So then I'm gonna go down, and this time I'm gonna guess a word that has E here and Y here. And then now I could see I've guessed R here, I've guessed R here, so R might be here or here. And that's the right word. And then when you get it right, it's gonna let you share it. And when you share it, it actually doesn't show up if I share it as a text. You could see it shows up like this. It doesn't actually show you what the word is. So you won't ruin it for anyone else. It's just gonna tell them how quickly you basically solve this problem. And this resets every single day, and you could keep a streak of how many times you get this right in a row. I hope you found this video useful and this is gonna be enjoyable for you. I will see you next time.